First time yield is the ratio of the units produced to the units attempted to produce. For example, if you put 12 cookies in the oven, but only 10 come out edible, then you haven't produced 12 cookies. The formula for first time yield is number of good units produced divided by number of units entering the process. In the cookie example, the first time yield is 10 good cookies divided by 12 units that were actually attempted to produce. So, the first time yield value for this cookie example is 0.833. Most products or services are created via multiple processes. You multiply the first time yield for each process to calculate an overall first time yield. For example, consider the following process chain. 100 units enter process A and 95 units exit. 95 units enter process B and 85 good units are achieved. 85 units enter process C and 80 good units exit. The first time yield would be calculated as follows. The 95 good units produced, divided by the 100 units that were attempted to produce, this gives the value 0.95, which is the first time yield of process A. The 85 good units produced, divided by the 95 units that were attempted to produce, this gives the value 0.89, which is the first time yield of process B. The 80 good units produced, divided by the 85 units that were attempted to produce, this gives the value 0.94, which is the first time yield of process C. To find the overall first time yield of the whole process, we will multiply first time yield of process A, process B, and process C. So, 0.95 into 0.89 into 0.94 equals to 0.79. So, the overall first time yield of the process is 0.79.